All right, I know you're working really hard, but can I stop you for a minute?
Yeah, sure.
Tell me about what you had going on.
Yeah, this week I've got my my online cob workshop course on sale for 75% off. So it's a really good deal, really great discount. Just want to make it available to more people. So this week it's on sale, and it's like 11 hours of video lessons that I've created over the past 5 years, all compiled into one course. You can download the whole course. It's all videos and PDF files, and you get it's like over 120 pages of reading, 11 hours of video, and it covers all topics of cob building from very beginning, planning stages, foundations, all the way up through every stage of the process. How to build cob walls, how to do windows and doors, lintels, roofing, finished plastering. There's a section on Tadillac, lime plastering, earthen plastering. There's a lot on pre-planning, how to select land, really pretty much every topic you could need, at least to get started. I have a couple videos on coding and doing basements and two-story buildings. So it's really like taking a comprehensive cob workshop. It would be like taking several cob workshops, and it's for the price of, this week it's only $50, so normally it sells for about $200. So this is your chance to get it. I really want you guys to have a chance to pick it up and look through it and get value out of it. So yeah, I'll put a link down in the description and the comment section. You can go there and get the discount.
Okay. All right. Thanks.